release the card.
Man, there it is. Just from a glance, from a far glance, it looks solid.
The card! The card! Oh, baby, there they are. Boom! Bird, Dr. J, Magic Johnson. Oh, boy, the corners are great. The back is clean and crisp and packed fresh. Johnson, Dr. J, and the hip from French Lick, that is sharp. The grading companies are watching. They were told ahead of time. And they told me to put it into a card saver right away. Wow, oh wow. The card. Third one in 3 weeks. Julian Patton and Mike McCoy, you got some company. And Julian and Mike McCoy are in this again. Wow. And let me tell everybody something.
Pretty good. Pretty.
Man, that
pretty good.
big that bird hairdo. Magic Johnson. Look at him, 6'9" guard, and it's rookie year of Bird and Magic. Oh, let's just throw Dr. J in the middle. You know what I think? It doesn't, because the card in the 10's worth over 100,000, and the 9 is worth over 7,000. Brad, it is beautiful. It's magnificent. I love this card. I want 100 of these cards. I want them all over my house. It's beautiful. It's fantastic. It is beautiful. Who do you love? We love Bird, Dr. J, and Magic Johnson. Oh, that is packed, fresh. I am eating the gum. That's it. I'll wait till near the end. I'm eating the gum. I have to eat the gum. I got to bring us more luck. I have to bring us more luck. You want somebody to love? I love Bird, Irving, and Magic Johnson. That's who I love. Congratulations. Oh boy. 7 other cards graded, a pinup and a wrapper, and I can't. Well, it's chipped the tooth. Oh, let's go back. It's like eating rocks. Oh my God. If I pass out, don't worry, the card will be sent to PSA if I'm hospitalized. It's really not that bad. No, now it's getting bad. The gum, not good. The card, magnificent. Gotta get that. I gotta kill some of the gum mold.
What you want?
One bourbon, one scotch, one beer. How about one Bird, one Dr. J, and one
Can't touch this.
Magic Johnson right there.
Can't touch this.
It's there, and another one. Equity Pack shareholders, congratulations. Let's hope for a 9.5 SGC 10. We'll grade it, we'll cross grade it, we'll triple cross grade it. We will do everything we can to maximize value for our shareholders. All on the board there. Congratulations, done in the books. We will save everything here. One more time. Bird, Julius Irving, Magic Johnson. Penicillin, nah, the scotch will do me good. There it is. What are they going to grade it? 10. 10. We want a 10. Just rip it. We'll all be on ESPN. That's what we want. And they can use the content because I'm tired of watching games from 1980. Actually, I'm not. There we are. Equity Pack shareholders. Cards are going right into a nice safe place for everybody. Both packs. Nice card there. All right. And where are we?